So we just finishing up a job over here for Convene in downtown LA. We put up a Casper film, a privacy film, and the way it works is, as you see, the TV was on over there, and then as soon as you walk outside, you look at the TV, you no longer see it. So it's not so much they don't want a fishbowl look with all the frost. They want to still be able to see in and out, but they want to have their privacy for whatever they're showing on the screen. So we just finished up 4 conference rooms over here.